Welcome everybody. So as the video title states, today is going to be an unboxing video of the new Comica blah 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 microphone. Well, light microphone. So there's no batteries involved. It works apparently both on smartphones and DSLRs. And here's the package, and as I said, it's going to be an unboxing video only. I will do a review and test on a second video coming up shortly, so stay tuned. Alright, so I've already cut it open, so let's see what's inside. And here it is, the box. Nice and lovely. Oh, where are we here? Oh, you won't even be able to see that. Alright then. So, it is a Comica professional audio equipment. Supports camera and smartphone, low self-noise, super anti-interference, super cardioid style, and it's got a shock absorber on it. Alright, and this is actually, I'm actually excited to check this out. See, there's some specs on the back. Frequency range is 40 Hz to 20 kilohertz. It's 2.2 kilo ohm impedance. Sound pressure level is 100 dB. Sensitivity minus 34 dB to plus, okay, well, plus minus 3 dB. Signal to noise ratio is 68 decibels. Weighs 52 grams. And dimensions are 160 by 50.8. By 86, and that's in millimeters. It is made in China, does have the ROHS certification on it. See right there, somewhere. There we go. And CE, so yeah, it does seem to be the real deal. Let me just grab a pair of scissors here, and we'll go from there. And oh yes, this is the CVM-V30 Lite microphone. We'll grab some scissors so we can cut this open, because it's got a seal right here. You can see that. Got to cut that open. I've seen some reviews of these, and they do seem to be good, but I'm going to come up with my own verdict at the end of the fact. All right, come on, just open. Let's do it. There we go. The unboxing madness. Yes. All right. Okay, so there's nothing else inside the box. Completely empty. Now, let's see what's actually in here. Okay, we've got some, what is this? The warranty card? Yeah, I think this is the warranty card here, which is in Chinese. There's no English. Well, the first part is English. I guess this is if anything goes wrong, you can fill it back in. So this side is English. And this side is Chinese side. That's not working. There we go. Alright, so this is the China side and the English side. Okay, it's got complete instructions here. We provide free service of repair and technical support after purchasing the product within for 1 year. Free repairs based on the real fault not caused by personal damage after their quality control inspection. So in other words, don't mess with this and break it and then try to claim warranty. Repair fee should be charged if product fault caused by inappropriate operation or personal disassembly. Yeah, okay. So it's a pretty standard warranty. Anyways, yeah, you guys don't really want to hear about that, so what else is in here? We have an authorized dealer card. Wow, it's actually pretty nice. And oh, there's even more products in here too. Interesting. Alright, so there's some other products that are in here as well. It's quite interesting. I'll take a look at those some other time. Right now you guys just want to know about the CVM-V30 Lite, so let's do it. There's an actual booklet of description, installation, and operation. Okay. What all the different parts are. Interesting. Alright. How to use it with a smartphone, how to use it with a DSLR. What else is in here? Okay, and then the technical parameters of the actual microphone itself with the cutoff area, and it's in multiple languages as well. So, cool. Okay, and then all that's left is the actual microphone. It's actually a pretty large microphone. And it came with a silica gel pack. Nice. Don't forget, guys, do not eat the silica gel. Do not eat. Throw away. Or keep it in your camera bag in case you're in inclement weather and you have your camera stuff in there and you don't want it to get wet. It's always a good thing. So here's the actual microphone. You got your jack, you have your shock mount. It's actually it's a plastic cold shoe mount. It's screwed in, actually. It's screwed in directly to the shock mount. Not sure if you'll be able to see that or not. No. Yeah, it's right there. Little tiny screws right in there. There's 4 of them. Hopefully it's sturdy. And it's not a quick release, but it's got the twist lock. And it's actually metal threaded in here, which I was not expecting. I thought it would just be plastic, but looks like they did a good job. So that is the unboxing of the Comica CVM-V30 Lite microphone. And that's pretty much it. So my review will be coming up shortly.